Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Just before Christmas I was contacted by OpenRock, a manufacturer of different headsets, and they offered me their OpenRock S headsets to do a review on. And as you might know, I absolutely love my audio stuff, so I always listen to audiobooks. I'm constantly, I've always got something in my ear. Not today because I'm about to test them. If they are anything like the blurb says they are, I'm really excited about this product. Now, with anything I get given, I always state my terms, which are, I will not say something's good unless I think it's good. I will do an open review and let the company that's given me whatever it is first view of that video. If they hate it because I've, given an honest account of whatever's wrong with it, etc., they can then tell me don't bother putting out the video and to just disregard whatever they sent me. OpenRock were like, yeah, absolutely, there's no problem, and they were absolutely eager for me to give an honest review. So whenever people do that, I tend to find they are really excited about their product, they're really proud of it, which tends to lead to a very good product. As you can probably tell, I'm quite excited by this one. I love good quality audio. It makes listening to music and audiobooks so much more immersive, so hopefully, fingers crossed, these are going to be as good as I'm hoping they will be. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. You guys are absolutely awesome. I love all our chats. I love these guys. Genuinely have helped me so much. If I get stuck, I've got people I can ask, and they can do the same. You know what I mean? It's just been wonderful, and you guys have really helped keep the channel going. Your support has kept me going, so I really do appreciate it. If you'd like to join them and become a patron, the links are in the description, but don't feel like you have to. If you've ever got a question, just leave a comment or email, and I will try my hardest to help you and answer, etc. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so this is OpenRock by OneOdio. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's open ear air conduction sports earbud. Now, they sent this to me for free, so I'm doing a review of it. And as I always say, when it's one that's been sent to me, I will still be 100% honest, because I much prefer to keep my subscribers than, a piece of kit, whatever it is. But they do know that I love audio devices for listening to audio and for music, and that's why they reached out to me. And you'll see I've got a lot more of this on my channel, so I'm hoping that these are really good. We'll look at price and so on in a minute, but I'll tell you what these do. They've got true bass trademark technology, adjustable ear hook patent, up to 60 hours of battery life, which is insane, and it's IPX5 water resistant, which is awesome. It's actually got noise cancelling for microphones, which is absolutely brilliant, and obviously open ear comfort. So let's have a look. What do we have in the box? So let's have a look. This is just a little card informing you on how to use it and so on and so on. We'll have a proper look at that in a minute. This feels really well packed. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now that feels like good plastic. Not, like sometimes you get that sort of like pound shop plastic that you drop once and it shatters. It almost like smashes like glass. This is incredibly nice sort of packaging. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, so that's what you get in the box, and we've got a nice little charging lead. Again, this is sort of like the bog standard charging lead. That it's not great quality, but it does exactly what you need. It's not one of those things that I sort of worry about too much, but it's the standard one you get with everything. Oh, and it started flashing at me. The obligatory. Oh, no, never mind. They genuinely feel and look really nice. I am super impressed. Okay, it says, just in the lid here, ensure that the indicator illuminates when earphones are placed into the charging case. Fair enough. Okay, so let's get one of these out. It genuinely feels really well made. It feels very strong. I bought a cheap sort of not exactly the same shape, but similar shaped one off the internet. I think I might have thrown it away. It was absolutely awful, but it wasn't quite as ergonomic as this. But as soon as I held it, I was like, this is cheap plastic, very, very light. Whereas this has got some weight to it, not enough to be uncomfortable, but it doesn't feel cheap, you know what I mean? But the back there looks really nice. And then that's how it goes into charge. Okay. What I'm going to do now then is I'm going to get them charging, and I will be back once they've charged and actually review like the sound and everything, and I will do some playing around off camera so I can get used to exactly how it, you know, exactly what's what on it. I'll probably use them for about 2 weeks and then, you know, do the proper review, because with things like this you always find different bits and bobs that you didn't know at first, you know. So let's get them charging. The charging port is at the back. And that's illuminated up. Oh, and it's actually an indicator. It's just indicating that it's nearly fully charged. Awesome. Right, I'll be back once it's charged. Okay, it's been just over a month since the intro and everything, and that is because I got extremely ill, whether it was COVID or a bad cold or whatever. I still haven't quite shifted it, so if you hear a change in my voice, you'll understand why. But I've been in talks with the company that allowed me to have this and do the review of this, and they're genuinely so sweet. It was like, just get better, don't worry about it. Sometimes I get companies that are really pushy and, you know, they want you to just get it out, they don't care, but they were like, yeah, just do it whenever you can, etc. And it's allowed me to have a lot more time with them than I would usually. Normally I do about 2 weeks of like using the headsets, because I know what I'm looking for and I can, you know, figure out what's what quite quickly. I've genuinely